Hey, what's up guys, I hope you're all feeling well. So today in this video we'll talk about the OneUi 8 update official news that you guys might be missing out. So starting off with the first update, so from downwards it is official that the Galaxy S25 series will get the OneUi 8 update in the month of September, while the S24 series, the S23 and the S22 series will get it in the month of October. Also from the Samsung newsroom we have some official device list that will be getting the OneUi 8 update. That includes the Galaxy S24 series, the S23 series, the S22 series and the S21 FE. For the A series we have the A33 to A36 and the A53 to A56. And many other devices are included in the device list of the OneUi 8. And if you ask that what new you can expect with the new OneUi 8 update, so there are no such new features available this time around with the OneUi 8 update. You will see some Gemini integration in the OneUi 8 update and some new AI features, and the existing AI features will be improved. Also, if you were on the OneUi 8 beta version on your Galaxy S25 series, so from the software settings, you can update it on the latest OneUi 8 stable build, as the OneUi 8 stable build is now out for the Galaxy S25 series which were on the OneUi 8 beta version. So let me know in the comment section that have you got the OneUi 8 stable version on your Galaxy S25 series or not yet. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the latest news regarding the OneUi 8 update and the device list that you guys might be missing out. Let me know in the comment section that which device are you upgrading the OneUi 8 on, and if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like, subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.